Well, we had to make a little pit stop. The exhaust leak that we acquired from the Dragon video, just now kind of getting to it. So got this side wrapped up already. I kind of missed the video in that, but definitely had a little slight exhaust leak on that side. It ain't the bad side. Putting some way better gaskets in it and took it off, and you can't really see it from here, but the whole thing fell apart. So definitely have an exhaust leak down there in the bottom somewhere. Now we're about to get to this side, and then should be pretty good. But I'll have to get it all wrapped up under here too. But make sure all these bolts are tight, because there was an exhaust leak on those before the headers started leaking too. So get it wrapped up. She will sound complete and not like your old Ford truck like you always hear. I feel like about every Ford truck I've had has had a manifold leak all the time.
Good old foreign trucks.
Yep. I won't focus, but this side was the bad side that had the bad leak, but it don't look too bad. It's got some cracks in it, so definitely was the reason. But throw this other one in there and fix it all. Gotta put these back on. Well, got the header gaskets in. We'll check that in a minute, make sure it's all good. The exhaust is tight. Well, except for right here, but Andrew showed up. He's gonna put me a rear shock in and maybe a front shock. I got a squeaky front shock, and this rear shock, I think, is lost some gas or something in it. Whenever we were on the Dragon, about every corner I would go in to brake, it would lift up, I feel like, way more than it should be. Felt not normal, so maybe that'll fix it, not get so much roll into it, pick up my rear tires so much, so a little more planted that way. And he has my seat we're gonna put in. Should look really good. Oh yeah, it's gonna look so good. He test fit it in his car. It looked pretty good with some pictures he sent me, but he wasn't allowed to have it.
Yeah, should have just kept it in there.
Yeah, it should have.
Well, I got a video. Thing out of the way.
Cross your fingers, we don't have no exhaust leak.
What do you think? Not ticking no more.
Oh yeah, she's gonna look good. Hopefully I fit comfortably. It's can't be any worse than the factory seat, but nice and snug.
Oh yeah.
I actually won't have to use my leg to
Brace yourself.
hold
They're
myself
all
in.
mixed up. It's just bins of mysteries, fasteners.
You get 'em?
Roll King.
Success.
Oh yeah.
This thing looks so good in here. How'd that go again?
If you got a video from that thing.
She cooked.
She done. Hold on, I gotta use my right hand.
Yeah. That's wild. I mean, shouldn't be able to push it down that easy, right? Yeah. Something was
I
wrong.
think she's done.
Yep. Got a few things wrapped up on it. Should be a different feeling with the seat in it, though. Yeah, and the shock that ain't completely wore shot out. We'll replace the front one out later. Alrighty, well, we got it wrapped up. Test on this, let's test how the seat feels on the way. Should feel 10 times better. The shock in the rear should be a ton better too. Let's get in and gotta fall into this thing now. Good thing I have this, I can get in and out easy. Good little update video, some final things putting into this thing before we take it to the next autocross and time attack. The seat will be a big upgrade. Getting the suspension, it's not the best suspension ever, but it'll do for now. A few little minor upgrades to go, and mainly a tune to get it running perfect, but should be a ton better. Getting close, but see you next time.